Hello viewers, in today's video we will learn how to use VLOOKUP with match function. See, here we have a data for a fruit seller which is selling the fruit in supermarket for all the days. So he has captured the data for all the sale of fruit wise to date wise. As you can see that this data is ranging from 1st of Jan 2019 to 9th of July 2019. Suppose he had made a sale on all those days. Now the question is, if he want to find the price total cost of the items, considering cost is same for all the days for a specific day, that is, if I just want to find how much quantity he has sold on 11th of March or on any specific date with which price. So for this we will be using VLOOKUP formula. As you also can see, I have used it over here with match function. I will be using match function for this date. So let us just start how we can use this function. For this I will be using firstly VLOOKUP is equal to VLOOKUP. Now it will be asking lookup value. So lookup value will be this. I will be fixing this column, and then it will be asking the lookup array. So the lookup array would be ranging from A column to GJ column. I will be fixing this range from A column to GJ column. Then it will be asking column index. So here I will be using match function to find which column data it should give it to me. So I will be typing match. It will be asking lookup value. So lookup value will be the date. It will be fixed. Then lookup array. Lookup array, I will be starting it from A column. Always start it from where you have started the VLOOKUP array to GJ column. Then fix it, and then it will be a true value, and then for VLOOKUP it will also be a true false value, and then enter. So as you can see, it is showing me that on 11th of March it has sold this much quantity of this. So I will copy this and drag down to all of the fruits. You can see that he had made a sale of 823 kg of total fruits on 11th of March. If you want to change the date, you can easily change the date, suppose to 15th of March. So it will be giving you the data for 15th of March. You can select any date from that date range and can get data over here. Thank you for viewing.